Hi, I'm Brenda and I'm an employee of iCar Technologies Group. We are super excited to announce that we'll be running the Cadet Program again this year, and you could be a part of the family.
At iCar Technologies, we consist of 5 branches. We have DigiCars, August Auto, Cherry Santon, Cherry Northcliffe and Almond Mobility, of which you can gain experience at all of our branches and entities.
This program is suitable for young, fresh, motivated candidates with keen interest in the automotive industry. And guess what, guys? No experience needed.
All you have to do is send us a 60-second video, tell us why you're the perfect candidate for the job.
Applications are finally open and all our candidates can start applying now. You get to work with our iCar Technology Group for a good 6 months, starting on the 2nd of October 2023. Good luck to all the applicants.
Applications can be sent through via DM to our DigiCars social media channels, or you can send a WhatsApp on the number 063 785 5525.
Entries close 31st of August 2023. Don't forget to teleprint to join the family. Don't break the telephone.